Wala bang hiyawan at palakpakan dyan? Our lady stand in front of me. It's not a white lady, and also not a black lady. Our lady stand in front of you. Is a young, fresh, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Lapis and Tantalban. The Philippines is my nation. Cebu City is my location. My name is Jambea Monticelio, 18 years old, stuttered. I'm loud and proud. I'm proud and loud to dignify Barangay Panganan. And I believe that a man without ambition is like a rolling stone without direction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Josan. Number 3.
¿Cuándo?
Mitis, diabetes, kamatis, arthritis, kaong patis. Maayong gabi, hupong tapunganon. Kini si Kendra Dior, mukaog atay, mukaog batikon, kay bahuog titi. Bago ang kalisanin ng entabladong ito, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa lahat na kaming mga bayot, lawasan mi, na lubot pero naagapon mi tumoy. Once again, Kendra Dior, representing from the very beautiful Barangay Palongo Island. Bang bang bang, pusong mga libang sa katungkian, Barangay Sabah.